when people say it's expensive, the argument is that it's not in that sense they are saying expensive. It's a question of choice. It's how you want it. It's not as if you have like, let's assume you go get the list, just supply the homeowner with the list and you're done. Am I correct? Then if you don't want other things,
even sometimes
the homeowner will not compare.
What is in the list are negotiable.
Yes, a lot of times.
Yes, most times when they give you list, when you come to do the list proper, where they wrote 10 cartons of beer, you can negotiate and they agree to collect 5 cartons. In most cases, some of these things can be amended. There's some on a friendly ground. I get what I'm saying. So in some areas they tell you, no, this one is no-go area. You must do this one for us. Bring us snuff, kai, these ones, these things. I get what I'm saying. Yeah. So in most cases, there are some that they ask you, my in-law, do the ones you can.